Hello and welcome to the Oni-Giri app. Oni-Giri is a fast food restaurant that specializes in Japanese food such as onigiri. This is their mobile ordering app that doubles as a rewards program as well. So we have our login page here. We could click here and we could reset our password. And we could also log in with our phone number associated with the account as well. So since we have first time users, let's sign up. So let's put our first name. We have our last name. We have our email. And we have our password. And we have our confirmation password. And let's sign up. Our account is created. So we have our onboarding screens that showcases the main functions of the app. So we have Oni-Giri at our fingertips. We could order ahead. That we get rewarded as well. So let's get started. So we are at our app home menu. So let's check the rewards. You can see we have 250 available points that we use to redeem the menu for Onigiri, but we'll get back to that quite a bit. Let's check our membership. So right now we have our membership status that we are gold members, and then we have our unlocked perks that we have unlocked. Then we go to rewards. We don't have any rewards, so let's go redeem for a melon pan. So we have our redeemed melon pan. So let's go to our scan. Let's check our wallet. As you can see, we don't have any money. Let's go add some funds, and we'll give it $10. So reload the card and use Face ID to pay. As you can see, we have our $10. So let's go back. Then we have our orders, which we don't have anything, but we'll get back to that. Then we have our account, and then we have our account settings here. So let's order. So let's pick up at a restaurant. And let's see, which was that one? Let's favorite that. So let's order a combo menu. So let's go for the Oni Bento. So let's select the Musubi Onigiri. As you can see, we have our list of ingredients that each menu item has used. We have our allergy info and our nutrition facts. So let's select that. Let's select the beef onigiri. Then let's go for the spicy bean sprout salad. Then let's select some oolong tea. We'll add that to our order. So let's go to our order. We'll proceed to payment, and we're confirming that we're going to pick this up. We're going to use Apple Pay, and then we're going to pick up at this restaurant, and then we have our items that we're going to pay for. So let's place our order. And our order is made. So this is our confirmation menu, and we'll pick it up soon. So we'll end this by logging out. Thank you.